So screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is visible, sir.
Yeah, okay. First of all, we saw what is entrepreneurship, what are the functions, especially the you simply talking about the entrepreneurship, and we have to know the exact meaning. What is meant by entrepreneurship? Especially, it's not a entrepreneurship, not a talk. It's one of the innovative function. We have to innovate something, and also you told about all the things about the leadership and all, but apart from leadership, we have a ownership. These are the forms of innovation, the concept of entrepreneurship. They have a three to four. Already talk about the new product. We have to introduce the new product to the market. Otherwise, new method of production. There is some traditional methods are there. You have to produce some new methods to make a production, and also the open the new market. Yeah, especially the trending market of you already know about the organic farming and organic foods like that, and also new source of supplying raw materials. Yeah, a new source, especially the aeronautical engineers and the mechatronics engineering peoples. New source in the sense of drones. They're using the drones for supplying raw materials. This is the one of the concept I have to explain here. The traditional concept and modern concept. The traditional concept, especially the old industries, there's a huge amount of industries. They only already have some product. They have to give that product only. But the modern concept, you have to reform the products. You have to produce new product. Otherwise, you have to produce the new set of enterprises. That is the traditional concept to modern concept. Yeah, I already explained about the innovative function. Yeah, entrepreneurship is a innovation in the sense of you have to innovate something, in the sense of the innovation, in the sense of you have to produce something new, something new to the society, even it is a benefit of our society or the benefit of some community of peoples or benefit to your home itself. It is one of the innovation. And also the wealth producing resources. Yeah, especially the name wealth producing. You have to produce the wealth. You are not, yeah, employment to the other industry. You have to produce your own resources, and also the existing resources. Yeah, there's a huge amount of resources are there. You have to produce potential. For example, the waste, especially the you already know talk about the plastic waste, and also the main problem in the India, so e-waste, electronic waste. So huge amount of potential comes from that electronic waste. You have to produce some potential from the that waste because it's already having some resources, but you have to produce potential. Yeah, and also the profitable opportunities. Yeah, mostly some people store is a social service and all things, but if you are an entrepreneur means you have to focus on profit. First of all, profit is the main thing. First profit, afterwards only the social service and all. You have to feed yourself first, afterwards only you go to the other one to feed. Unique opportunities. Yeah, you have to is a lot of opportunities, but your opportunities become unique. While comparing to other things, yours will differ from others. Yeah, this is one of the interesting slide I have. It's what is the difference between entrepreneurship and wage employment? The wage employment in the sense of employees. You have a work for others, especially the main thing is work for others. Here, entrepreneurship, you have own boss. You are the boss. You are the boss of the your company, and also follow instructions. Yeah, you have to follow the rules and regulation. Yeah, most of the youngsters are not ready to follow the rules and regulation, so you have to create the rules. That's the make own plans. And routine job. Yeah, it's one of the routine job. You have to morning 5 o'clock you go, otherwise morning 9 o'clock, and you come back to evening 5 o'clock. There is no new thing will added. But in entrepreneurship, you have to create activity. You will choose the which time I have to work. If I am good with the time after 9 o'clock, yeah, you have to work. but only in that your own company. It's not suitable for wage employment. And also, yeah, and also does not create wealth. You don't create any wealth here. You create a wealth. These are the one of the lot of things and benefits while comparing to ordinary employee and entrepreneur. This is who is entrepreneur. Yeah, you are the entrepreneurs. I am the entrepreneurs. I don't know who make noise. Please make mute yourself. I'm not able to present. Yeah, entrepreneur. It's an individual who start a business venture and they're responsible for development. They have a venture. You have to produce the venture. And the main problem in the entrepreneurship, risk. You have to take risk. Otherwise, you will fail. You have already know about especially the film Sura Reporter. Already know about most of the people are watching the Sura Reporter. Mostly the film, especially named the one name called venture capital, like that. Yeah, if you have an idea means if you go the bank, they give loan, but the venture capital, they have to fund your project. If you have idea means you have to propose to that venture capital, they have to give a fund. You don't repay that fund. It's not like a loan, it's a grant for your proposal. Only the idea is enough to make a money. There's a large of venture capitals in our India, especially in Tamil Nadu. We have a venture capital in PSG, the sense of Coimbatore, the PSG step, and also the IIT Madras Incubation Center, and a lot of business opportunities are there in Suraripur. These are some venture center fellowships. What are the fellowships comes under that venture center? And the main problem in the entrepreneurship, most of the people think we have to invest something. There's a huge amount of money is required to make an entrepreneur. We have to own a company means we have a huge amount of capital. Only the rich peoples to make companies. The poor peoples not make two companies. But the venture is different. The venture capital is, if you have idea means the idea is enough to make a film or factory. And especially the more than 5 fellowships are there. The first one is the DST EIR fellowship, is the entrepreneur residence fellowship, and also the BIRAC. The BIRAC, there's a Biotechnology Industry Research Assistant Council. They have a fellowship of social. They have the fellowship of social immersion fellowship, and also the biotech fellowship and the Raju Logo Fellowship, NCL Research Fellowship. That is a National Chemical Laboratory Research Fellowship. These are some of the fellowships comes under the venture capital. The qualification of that fellowships are you just apply. You have one bachelor degree or you have some 1 year experience or 6 months experience to work in the startups. So you have to apply your own innovative concept to the venture center. They have to select your proposal and they give you a monthly stipend, and also they give a mini grant of some amount in, not I am talking the amount in thousands. They give amount in the sense of lakhs. Yeah, and also first of all the fellowships under the grant. The grant means a huge amount. The first important one, that BIRAC Biotechnology Ignition Grant. I don't know how many of you know about that big grant, big grant, that is Biotechnology Ignition Grant, the big grant. The grant amount of nearly 50 lakhs. It's not a 1 lakh or 2 lakh, the 50 lakhs. It's not a loan. They have to give 50 lakhs for your simple proposal and concept. They have to give 50 lakhs. And also DST, they also gave nearly 40 to 45 lakhs only for your idea, not for anything. Your idea, they give 50 to 60 lakhs. And also it is fully governed by Government of India. No need to repay the loan to the government. Now, this is one of the grant and currently available. The last date also mentioned 15/5 2021. Look at the industries. What are the concept are there? It's agriculture, industrial biotechnology, health drugs and delivery, medical biotech, bio IT interface. If you have any innovative proposal in the field of that agriculture or more than 6 field, you have to apply that biotechnology ignition grant. They have a 3 to 2 rounds. You have to follow the 3 to 2 rounds. Afterwards, if your proposal is selected, you get a grant of 50 lakhs. It's not a easy to get 50 lakhs from the government, but you get 50 lakhs from that big grant. And also there is a, you ask what where I will to apply. There's a huge venture centers are there nearly in India. They have a 14 to 15 venture centers. In Tamil Nadu, we have 2 venture centers, one from PhD, and the second one is IIT Madras. Yeah, this one is a Spark Innovation Fellowship. This is a fellowship I am working past 6 months. They have the field, the material and health, aging and health, food and nutrient, waste to value, compacting environmental pollution. If you are from a mechanical engineering department, you have to focus on the what are the emissions come out from the vehicles, what we will reduce the emissions. This comes under compacting environmental population. If you have some agriculture engineering backgrounds, you have to work on agriculture technologies. And some people, the environmental engineering or some chemical engineering people, you have to go through the waste to value. And look at the fellowship. They have a monthly stipend of 50,000. Even the PhD students in IIT get the monthly stipend of 32,000. And Anna University PhD students get monthly stipend of 15,000. And Central Government Institute students get the stipend of 10,000. But here you have to get the stipend of 50,000, not 1,000, 2,000, 50,000 per month. So this fellowship is duration of 18 months. You have to work for 18 months and also get a mentor from IITs. Getting mentor from IIT is not an easy task, but this fellowship give you a vast application of what are the labs. You have to go through all the labs and all. And also eligibility is most common in Indian undergraduates. The BTech B, it's enough to apply for this fellowship. But here you have to write or make an innovative proposal. So proposal will be innovative. This is the entrepreneur residence program. This is also the one of the government of government of India under department of DST, that science and technology. I think this also the EIR scheme. There's an entrepreneur in residence program. They have to give residents to work. They give the lab, they give the space, all things. You have to work for your venture center. Sorry, work for your entrepreneur. The main, but you have to give some percentage of that IP you register for a intellectual property rights, means you have to give the percentage of 3% to 4% to the that center. Now, this is the one of the current innovation grant in the sense of COVID vaccine intelligent network. You have to intelligent network the AI like that, and look at the, if especially for students from ECE and CSE, you have to make focus on that grand challenge for COVID, the CoWIN. And look at the win rewards. It's nearly 3.85 crores. It's not a simple one to get that grant. And also look at the departments in the sense of field, that learning management, systematic logistic management, information system, high adherence rate. If you work for these things, if you have some solution for the problem, means you have to apply and get immediate reward of 3.85 crores. And mostly the main problem in the entrepreneur is you have to need a problem. Afterwards only you go for the solution. So this is one of the some of the problems get from the Bairak and IIT Kanpur. These are the problems in the current. There is no solution. If you have any solution means you go with the solution and get grant of 50 lakhs. Just note it down one of these things because these are the current problems in the India. The Indians in the India, they don't have any solution. If you have any solution for these things, you get a grant and also you will work for your own company like that. The image analyticals, mapping of underground terrain and detection of objects and bodies. And also advanced sonar system. Already we have a sonar system to use to depth of the water. We need advanced terrain analyzer and borewell rescue equipment. In Tamil Nadu, I think it's needed very urgently the borewell rescue equipments. The multi-gas sensors, yeah, the multi-gas sensors also need because of the most of the land that emits some amount of gases, but we have only the 2 or 3 sensors to sense carbon or nitrogen. But here we need multi-gas sensor. We have to sense all the gas to detect and radiation. These are the current problems. You have to become an entrepreneur and get fund from the Indian government means you have to work for the following problems. If you have any solution means you will get the fund. Yeah, these are the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. You have the person to process, visualizer to vision, creator need creation, the organization, the innovator means to innovation, and have a planner needed to planning. And also the leadership. You have the leadership is the main quality in the entrepreneurship because they have to take a risk from the main thing. The main problem in the startups in cash flow. You have to flow the cash and get a decision making is the main thing in the leadership. Yeah, I have some examples of real entrepreneurs. These are come from mostly the all over India. In this India, you already know about the Ajim Premji, the Vibro. He also the startupper. Start up and only produce the all the main Vibro technologies. And also he's one of the old entrepreneur and first entrepreneurs from the India. And also the Dhirubhai Ambani is a Ambani, the Reliance company. These also the largest private sector. These peoples also the entrepreneurs. And also the main from Tamil Nadu, Narayana Murthy. I don't know about the Infosys. It's a founder